Hi guys, today I will be unboxing and giving you a demo on this Boya BY-MM1 universal cardioid microphone. So this is compatible with the smartphone, tablets, and computer and DSLR cameras. Okay, so here's the specs, the back of the box. So this polar pattern cardioid, frequency response is 35 to 18 kilohertz plus minus 3 dB. Then sensitivity is minus 42 plus minus 1. Then signal to noise ratio 76 dB. Then plug is a 3.5 millimeter TRS and TRS. So this is important. If you are using a TRS, then it will be connected to the like a DSLR or mirrorless camera, and TRS if you are using a smartphone or tablet. Okay, then the dimension and weight, so very light. So I open this now. So this one with the tape. So cutter. Okay. Open this now. Right now you are listening to the internal microphone of the smartphone that I'm using, but later on I will plug this in so you can hear the sound difference. So here it is. So there's like a filter or air, how do you call this, windscreen, something like that. So just take it out, just remove it to show you. So a little bit tight. So here is the microphone. So the connection is at the far end. So it comes with this shock mount for the DSLR for mirrorless. Then here the cable. So this is the TRS. So you can see that just two rings, two black rings, and the TRRS is the one with the 3 rings. Okay, so again I will use this one if I will be using this on the smartphone, and this one for a DSLR camera. Okay, then there's like a silica gel for moisture absorbent, some stick card, and there's a case, a pouch. Okay, so this one normally use if you are filming outside or doing some video outside, so to prevent the air from being recorded. Okay, so I'll try without that windscreen. So I will connect this one with my smartphone. So try to do this. Okay, then we'll just plug this into my smartphone that I'm using right now, so you can hear there will be sound difference. Okay. Okay, now I plug in the microphone, so now you can hear the sound coming from this microphone. So I don't know if you can hear the difference. Okay, but let me know in the comment section if you hear any difference with the sound if using this one and using the internal microphone of the smartphone. Okay, again, thank you for watching, and please like this video.